In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to eBay, a process that will seamlessly integrate your print-on-demand business with one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to head over to Printify's website at printify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to sign up first as you'll need access to your Printify dashboard for this tutorial. After you're logged in, you're ready to begin. Next, at the top of the page, click on your store name. This will give you a drop-down menu with several options. From these, you're going to select Manage My Stores. This section is your central hub for overseeing all the stores linked to your Printify account, making it a crucial part of the setup process. Once you've entered the Manage My Stores area, locate the Connect button and give that a click. This will bring you to a list of sales channels where you'll pick the one you wish to integrate. In our case, you're going to choose eBay from the list. Doing this helps ensure that your Printify products will be visible and manageable directly through eBay. After you've selected eBay as your sales channel, you'll need to decide how to handle your Printify store, whether you want to create a new store or use an existing one. Select the option that fits your situation best and hit the Connect button to proceed. The next step involves your eBay account. If you already have an eBay account, great. You'll need to check the box labeled I have an eBay account. Once you've done that, click Continue. For those of you who don't have an eBay account yet, you'll need to set one up before continuing with this process. Now let's grant Printify access to your eBay store. It's important because it allows Printify to sync your products and orders with eBay, facilitating a streamlined experience. This also ensures your inventory is consistently updated in real time. Following this, you must set up a payment method. On this screen, confirm by checking the box for I add a payment method on eBay, and then press Continue. This will allow you to handle transactions and payments smoothly within eBay. We're almost finished. The next step, and a crucial one, is to confirm eBay's business policies. Read these policies carefully, check the box to confirm that you understand them, and click Continue to finalize this step. And that's it. Printify is now successfully linked to your eBay store. You can manage your products, handle orders, and reach a wider audience directly from eBay. This integration offers convenience and expands your selling potential significantly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in connecting your Printify account to eBay.